Papunta ako ng Peninsula Manila Hotel dito sa Makati City para sa isa na namang pageant ganap. Dito ako sa Makati, pupunta ako ng Manila Peninsula Hotel para sa coverage natin. Ipapakilala ang bagong Miss World Philippines Davao 2025. Kilalanin natin siya mamaya. Ayan, pasok na tayo. Thank you. First time ko dito sa Manila Peninsula. Inshallah. Let's go. Okay, dito daw sa mga function room, yung venue. Ito, Balmori. Dito sa loob. So, yun.
A few moments later.
At dumating na ang kauna-unahang Miss World Philippines Davao Region 2025 para sa kanyang press conference.
Let's give our warmest round of applause to our Miss World Philippines 2025 Davao Region. Once again, JB Lynn Lorejo. 2025 Davao Region.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, I am ready. Thank you.
Let's give our warmest round of applause to our new queen.
Jamie Lorejo, your Miss World Philippines Davao Region.
Nagumpisa na rin ang actual press conference at tinanong na siya ng mga pageant media.
Welcome to the Miss World Philippines family and the Miss World Philippines Davao Region. Thank you so much.
Cheers, everyone! And JB, we wish you the best of luck as you embark on the journey that is full of
And then I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of you for being here today. I know, again, you guys are so busy kasi ang daming pageants ongoing right now.
yes, and to
Tapos na
our media
ang
friends.
press conference ng bago Miss World Philippines Davao Region na si JB.
A few moments later.
Kakain na kami after the press conference. May ano ito?
Meron nasa, merong oil siguro.
Ito yung food kong ginawa ko.
Gusto daw po